Welcome back, YouTubers. Hello again, subscribers. On today's episode, we're going to be cooking with Chris. I love to cook and I enjoy it so much. Now I can make it easy for you. Add a little bit of flavor. And now we're ready to cook. I put my pans on the first two burners in front of me, that way they're close to me and I don't have to reach over them while I'm cooking. Now the first pan I got, I'm going to be cooking the meat in, and I'm going to spray it with Pam or some type of spray till the meat doesn't stick to the pan. In this case, I'm going to be using spray and oil. I'm just going to coat the pan with oil before I put the chicken in the pan. Make sure before you add the chicken, you make sure the pan is up to temperature. You want to hear that sizzle as soon as the meat hits the pan. Here you can actually see the sizzle as you put the chicken in. I place a lid over the pan to trap heat inside so that way the chicken cooks faster and more thorough. I also salt the water to add a little bit more flavor while I'm boiling. Now for the creamy noodles, I will take 2 cups of water and put it into the pan, and then I'll also mix 1 cup of milk within that mix. Then I'll get 2 tablespoons of butter and bring all that to a boil. Go ahead and pop the biscuits in the oven after you preheat it to 400 degrees. Set it for about 8 to 10 minutes. The biscuits won't take long. You want a nice golden brown on top. As that pan gets heated up, now we can check our chicken. Make sure you take it and flip it to the other side. You want to do this as you see the chicken getting brown. You don't want to burn one side, but you want to make sure you get a nice thorough cook throughout. As my other pan starts to get hot and the butter melts, I'll stir it just before I add the noodles and seasoning mix. Always keep a nice eye on your chicken. Once you're done checking the chicken, head back to your noodles and continue to stir. You don't want any of those noodles to get stuck at the bottom. They will burn. Looks like chicken's done. I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the stove. Now just keep stirring as you see the water boil. You want to make sure it cooks thoroughly. Now once all the water seems to evaporate and you get a cream within the pan, that's when you start to know it's done. Don't burn it, just keep stirring. Those biscuits should be done by now, so go ahead and pull them out of the oven. Let the noodles cook until the water is evaporated and it has become a cream. That's when you know the noodles are cooked thoroughly. And plate all the food once it's complete, and you'll get this as a result. Seasoned stovetop chicken tenders with creamy pasta noodles and buttered home-style biscuits. Follow me for more tips. I'm going to have more cooking videos coming up real soon. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe down at the bottom. Hit that notification bell because I'm going to be putting more videos up like this on easy ways to cook. If you want to leave a comment down at the bottom on what you want me to cook, feel free to leave something down at the bottom.